what's up, everybody? It's DJ Fuse here. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to successfully transition from one song to the next seamlessly, the professional way with no error. For this breakdown, I'll be using my Rane 12 turntables with the custom DJ Fuse logo vinyls, the Rane 72 MK1 mixer, a MacBook Pro, a Harbinger 3000 series 15-inch speaker, and an Audio-Technica headphones. Let's get right into it. Okay, guys, so we've already took the liberty of preloading 2 tracks. These tracks, if you'll notice, if you read on your laptop, you want to look for BPMs. BPMs stand for beats per minute. On the left deck, the BPMs are set at 93.5. Ensure that on the right deck, you're also set at 93.5. And if you're not, you can move your tempo fader to adjust. Now that we have both of the tracks synced and BPM matching, another thing that I need to explain to you all is the functions of a crossfader. The crossfader is located in the center of a mixer. You start out in the position with your crossfader in the open left position and the closed right position. Okay, open left sounds like this. Closed right means that no matter what you do here, you cannot hear sound because you're closed to the right-hand side. All of the sound is coming from the left because it's open. Once you close the right, close the left, open the right, the left-hand sound is gone. Now, the objective is, now we hear our song. This song has to blend perfectly with the song that's loaded in the right deck. Okay, now, we're gonna do this by now effectively using our headphones to pre-cue. Pre-cue means you're gonna listen to this song on the right deck before the audience gets to hear it. So I put my headphones to my ear. Seamlessly, I'm moving my right deck to align it and make sure that I'm comfortable with how the 2 tracks blend in well together. And when I'm ready, I now put my headphones down. Now, as you notice, you're going to see me move my crossfader from the open close position to the open left and open right position. Technically, this position means that your crossfader leveler is in the middle. Both tracks are playing. Both tracks are playing seamlessly with no rubbish in the middle, no clashing of beats or sounds. This is what it means to move seamlessly with a perfect transition. Now, to complete this transition, you want to continue to move your crossfader from the open left, open right to the closed left, open right. But you got to do this smoothly. Now, this brings me to the conclusion of how you successfully move from one track to the next using pure seamless sounds and using the effects of the crossfader. And that's how you execute a seamless professional transition between 2 songs. Thanks for tuning in and learning with me. I'm DJ Fuse. Keep practicing, guys. Keep pushing your craft. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.